Good day, school owners. Let me quickly walk you through the school management system. Each of these things you are seeing on the dashboard is to tell you what we have in the school management system. So to my left, I have some buttons here. The calculator that you can easily use to calculate something while on the school management system. You can log in as staff, you can log in as the bursar, meaning that the login details for the admin, for this bursar, for the staff is different. There are 3 different logins, and then there is calendar. There is even age calculator that you can use to calculate the age of your students if you don't know the actual age after getting the date of birth. Then we have the student records, where we keep records of the student information, where you can assign class teachers, where you can issue admission letter, where you can mark attendance of your students, where you can keep record of the students that are using school bus, the students that are in the hostel. If you want to issue them ID card, if you want to record information about the student that came for summer coaching, all those things are here under the students records. And we also have the staff feature, where you keep record of every information of your staff. Okay, the staff database, you can give them appointment letter, you can even mark attendance register by clicking on maybe P or A for absence. And this same class teacher record that you saw on the school management system, on the student record, is here. You can give ID card or query or whatever. The staff ledger is also there. Okay, another thing that is beautiful on this school management system is the results feature. This is the broadsheet. We have 2 types of report sheet. The one that shows all the 3 terms, first term, second term, third term, and another one that shows only the termly results. So here you will just change either to first term, to second term, or to third term. We also have transcripts. We have the transcripts template, and then we also have the finance aspects, where we have the student ledger, the school bill, the receipts, the staff ledger, the staff payment slip. If you collect daily payment, there's a place to record it. Expenses ledger, the stock inventory. You can generate receipts. Okay, and that is that about the finances aspect of the school. We have the media. Let's go to the media. Here you can store videos or PDF file for your student. For the video, all you have to do is, after inserting the video, just double click on it like this and open. The video is going to play. Can you see that? So you can use that for your nursery students that usually need rhymes and all of that. And this one is what's it called, a flashcard. So all you have to do also is double click on it and it will also open. All right, so let's go back to the school management system. We also have the class photo album, where you can put the picture of students that are graduating for each class in your school. Then I have mentioned the school organogram. Yes, and this chart here, there are summary of everything in the attendance, the finances, and the number of boys and girls you have in your school. There is timetable generator. Just enter the information of the teacher, the class the teacher is taking, the subject the teacher is taking, and then you click on generate timetable, and it will automatically generate timetable for your school. No need to stress yourself about that again. And then from the school management system, you can open the CBT software, except if you are buying the CBT software separately. Okay, on the dashboard also you can have the general overview of the first term top 10 scorers in your school, the second term and the third term also. So let's switch over and see the CBT software. So I'll just click on this and then open up the CBT software. Here is this offline CBT software. So you can allow your students access to the exam portal by logging in as a student. After you have set the questions, set the time, set everything, so you will now log in as a student using this one. Welcome to the school offline portal. So you enter, log in as a student. When you log in as a student, the student will have access only to this page alone, and then they can enter their name and their password. You will have to give them the password. All right, you have to give them the password, and you can even monetize the password like some schools are doing. And then when they put in their login details, they click on login and they start the exam. So when they put their login details, they log in and they start the exams. Okay, so when they are done with the exams, they will be able to see their results immediately. If they need calculator, here is that calculator I showed you on the school management system. It is here also. Okay, the time has elapsed. I'll just continue. If the question has image, the image will show like this. All right, and that is how to use the offline results checker by the student. This one is a theory question if the question is theory, and you are good to go. The student sees their results immediately. Can you see that? And then it is recorded somewhere on the CBT software. So on the CBT software, we have the question bank where all questions for all classes will be, but it will be loaded into the question sheet where the subject they have for that particular day will be loaded into. This place is where records are kept. Okay, and the CBT user list is also automated, and the settings sheet is also very important. You can generate pins after you have exhausted the pins that comes with the school with the offline CBT software. Okay, now let's head over to see the online result checker. If you see the school management system and the CBT software I've been showing you, they are basically offline. They do not work online. So everything you want to do, you use. If you want to use a lot of laptops, you will have to use your flash drive or hard disk to transfer from one laptop to the other. But let's say you want to compute the result of your students online. You don't want to use the automated broadsheet and report sheet that is on the school management system. You want to do it online. Okay, you can do that online with our online results checker. So this will be the mark sheet. We have mark sheets for class levels, for the nursery, SS, the pre-nursery, the GSS, and the primary classes. And we have the PIN database. We have the PIN database where after you have computed the result, rather, you will just copy the PIN for each student. You give it to them to check their result by themselves, or you help them check it. They can check it by themselves on the phone or on the laptop, and they can decide to either print it or leave it the way it is. So this is the PIN, this is the admission number, then the class level of the students will be selected, the term will be selected, and then the results will be checked. This can be done either on the phone or on the laptop, and that is the online results checker. Can you see how the online results checker looks? So you can click on print results to save as PDF. Thank you.